Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to know about insulin, a hormone that is a pancreatic hormone. Its deficiency leads to diabetes mellitus, a common problem faced by most of the humans. First of all, welcome to Capsule. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe. This channel is useful for B.Pharm, PharmD, GPAT, NIPER, PG is a drug inspector and pharmacist exams. So what is insulin? Yeah, I know, most of you know. Those who don't know, let's start. Today in this video, we are going to learn about what is insulin, how is it obtained, where it is synthesized in the body, which cells secrete insulin, and how many units are secreted in 24 hours. Please watch the video till the end. So coming to the first question, what is insulin? Insulin is a protein hormone synthesized in our body. It is essential for uptake of glucose by cells. Cells cannot utilize glucose if insulin is not there. Insulin will make the cells utilize the available glucose in the blood. The chemical structure of insulin was first determined in 1951 by Sanger. And insulin is a polypeptide. It is a polypeptide hormone. It is having a molecular weight of around 6000 and it consists of two amino acid side chains. Those side chains are linked by disulfide bridges. Chain A contain 21 amino acid and chain B contain 30 amino acid. Why some people take insulin? Yeah, that is all we are talking about. The world is facing this problem, that is diabetes mellitus. If there is insufficient insulin production in the body, then it must be taken from external source. The deficiency of insulin in our body leads to a condition called DM. In earlier days, insulin was obtained from bovine and porcine pancreas, but due to the various adverse effects, its use is limited because it is not human origin, it is animal origin. So it shows some adverse effects. Nowadays, human insulin is biosynthesized by cultures of bacteria, by rDNA technology, by use of E. coli, yeast, etc. These rDNA or recombinant insulin, the primary structure is identical with the insulin derived from pancreas of our body. The synthetic insulins have similar pharmacodynamics with insulin derived from pancreas of our body. Properties of insulin. This insulin is soluble in water, but it has some pH requirements. At extreme pH of 3.2 and 10, insulin aggregate to hexameric form, and further in presence of zinc, it crystallizes. It is relatively insoluble at a pH range of 4 to 7. These are the properties of insulin. And synthesis and storage. Insulin is secreted by pancreas, that is islets of pancreas. Islets of pancreas contain A cells or alpha cells or B cells or beta cells. These beta cells will secrete insulin required for our use in the body. These beta cells synthesize insulin, that is a single polypeptide precursor. Pre-proinsulin is first synthesized, which is converted to proinsulin. The proinsulin is then cleaved by a group of enzymes to form the single chain C peptide and double chain insulin. This double chain insulin is stored and released whenever required by the body. This is the structure of insulin. This A chain and B chain. The amount of insulin in the body. An average adult pancreas of human contains 200 units of insulin, that is 8 mg. This pancreas secretes 50 units in a day, of which 50% of which enters the systemic circulation. Only 50% enters the systemic circulation. The remaining gets degraded before reaching the plasma or the systemic circulation. And insulin is released in a slow rate before the meals. This is to maintain the basal plasma levels, and after meals the insulin levels are going to rise. The peaks of insulin are recorded after meals. We will continue in the next video. Subscribe and click the bell icon.